Are you ready to experience your DMI designed home automation improvement?
Yes,
Absolutely.
I can't wait.
All right,
Yes.
It's exciting.
let's meet your new smart home, okay? Now, you both downloaded the app?
Yep.
Okay. Who's that?
Wow,
Cool.
that's like a Ring doorbell on steroids.
Exactly.
I love it.
Now, everybody's gonna have their own code, including the house manager, and depending on what code you punch in, different things happen inside your house. But I'm gonna show you all that inside the house. What do you think?
Great.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
This is great. All right. First stop is right here. So,
Okay. Yeah.
we're gonna go ahead and punch in your code, Annette. Come on, there we go. Now, everything that the house is doing right now is geared towards your preferences. So, this time of the year when you're getting home, it's still sunny outside, so the shades are going down. If you listen, favorite music is gonna be coming on right there.
Yeah.
Ah,
yeah.
See is
Love
going
it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty nice, huh?
Okay, so amazing.
We have a code for you, don't worry, we'll get to that soon.
All right.
Okay?
She does this from her phone.
Absolutely, yeah, and you can do it from the phone, you can do it right from the keypad here.
So how does it know the right time to do all this?
The DMI design system uses an astronomical clock, so it knows exactly what time the sun rises and sets. In the summer, it knows when to turn on the AC. And in the winter, it knows when to turn on the heat. This is what we call the power of integration. The systems in your home all work together seamlessly with a touch of a button. All right, Annette, go ahead and turn on the lights.
This is exactly what we've been looking for.
Yep.
One keypad instead of that whole string of lights.
You know, my buddy has one of these.
Really?
This looks so much nicer.
Yeah, it's really nice not having to grope for light switches anymore. It's all right here in the keypad. And you can also do it right from the app. Speaking of the app, we have a light setting set up just for you, Annette, in the living room. Come on.
Aw, this is so nice.
Wow.
Perfect after a hard day at work.
Yep, and you can change it to any setting you want. We have this thing on the app called Scene Settings, and you can change it to leaving, welcome, even, party.
Let me try and tell the house goodbye.
Yeah.
Wow.
What a time saver.
What a money saver.
What if we want a nice lighting setup to entertain friends?
Okay, well let's say it's your poker night or your cross stitch night. What do you guys do here?
Cards Against Humanity.
Okay, sounds good. Well, we'll just go into the app here and we can change the lighting, we can change the temperature, we can put the shades up or down if we want. And then what we'll do is we'll use what's called fast capture. And now it is saved in one of our scene settings right here. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's great.
Nice, right?
Very-
All right. Hey, while we're here, you notice anything different?
Hey, there's no cable box.
That's right. We have the cable box, the Apple TV, the game systems. Everything is in a rack down in the basement.
Wow.
Best thing, only one remote.
Yep, just the one right there.
I'm gonna miss all my remotes.
Oh, I won't. I love a coffee table that's clutter-free.
All right, wait, this looks a little too easy. How am I gonna watch the Broncos on all my TVs?
See, that's the power of DMI integration. Everything you watch on all your TVs is controlled by one remote.
What about when our kids visit or my in-laws? Will they know how to work all of this?
Well, it's so simple. You know, once we show you how to use it, you'll probably never have to contact DMI. But they'll always be there for you if you do need to contact them. Now, what's the one thing that drove you crazy when you were working with your interior decorator?
Probably the thermostats.
Don't touch the thermostat, right?
Well, notice anything missing?
No thermostat.
Huh.
Yeah. We've installed temperature sensors right there in the walls in each room, and the thermostat itself is located in that rack down in the basement I was just talking about.
So is it like a Wi-Fi thermostat?
It is so much more than a Wi-Fi thermostat. For your home security, we've installed sensors and remote locks on every window and door. We also monitor your home for fire, smoke, carbon monoxide, even water leaks. If it senses a problem, it can tell you immediately on the app wherever you are. And if you want a little more coolness, Josh, turn on the lights.
So who's Josh?
Well, Josh is like Alexa on steroids.
One more thing.
Yeah.
Can we have a bottle of chilled champagne when we come home Friday night?
Absolutely. Your new DMI automated home makes sure your wine is chilled to the exact temperature for your arrival after a long week at the office.
Chilled to perfection.
Find a custom home automation system from DMI installed in your house.